Good afternoon, YouTube. This is your Prepper Principal, David Lynn speaking. Today I'm going to show you my latest inexpensive discount purchase from Walmart. They oftentimes will have items on clearance and markdown. If you pay attention on a regular basis and go through it, you can get some really good deals inexpensively. I was over in the sporting goods department here at my local Walmart, and they were marking down knives. I managed to purchase 3 knives I picked out, really good prices. I got a Herbert Paralite. It was $21.97 and I paid $5 for it. I got an inexpensive Mossy Oak. It was $7.84. I paid $2 for it. And I purchased a Keyshawn Kuro. It was $22.97 and I paid $5 for it. You can see what I actually gave for it on the receipt. And I just wanted to show you these knives. Watching Uncle Al, he oftentimes likes to do the flip where he flips a knife open. So here's my version of a flip knife. And it did flip out. I'm not very good with these things. But again, $5 for a $22 knife. Very nice. I just need to peel off the clearance. And as you can see, very nice Keyshawn. And likewise, the Herbert, I need to peel off the, that way I can open. I haven't opened this one up yet. I peeled off the sticker, and as you can see, it's a Herbert, nice knife. Very nice Herbert knife. $5. And it was priced at over $20. Good deals at Walmart. And this is the $8 Mossy Oak. Real nice handle. This is the $8 Mossy Oak I paid $2 for. This is a nice looking knife. With tax, I paid $12.99 for all 3 knives. Here's another look at them. All 3 knives, $12.99. Clearance price at Walmart. You can't beat it.